Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss about 19th October current affairs. Myself Sunny Sandeep. Welcome to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, Jacinda Ardern. It's a great victory for Labour's party in New Zealand. We know that last 2 to 3 months back we have seen a recent news regarding COVID-19 in New Zealand. That is the first country to free from COVID-19 for 100 days, that is New Zealand. Here there is interesting, that is a leadership under the Jacinda Ardern. She was the Prime Minister of 40th Prime Minister of New Zealand. Now again she won the prime ministership elections. That is New Zealand Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern's Labour Party has won the over 49% votes in the general elections. That is almost half percentage she got the votes. Here Ardern, who has been hailed for compassionate leadership, became the 40th Prime Minister of New Zealand in 2017. After that she is the leader of Labour Party. Here from this article we have to know that there is a gender empowerment or women empowerment or a leadership of women in democracy or any the highest position. Previously men are used to be in the highest positions, but days are changed. Women also are achieving or are at the highest positions like Prime Minister. There is the good example is Jacinda Ardern. She is the Prime Minister of New Zealand. That's why days are going on, days are changed. Women also actively participating in politics, games and everything. That means gender gap or gender inequality is decreasing. It's a welcome step in the world also. Next one, Global Hunger Index. Here first of all we have to see how it is calculated. What is the rank of India according to the 107 countries? In the 107 countries, what is the rank of India? Whether it is far away from the neighboring countries like Bangladesh, Myanmar, Pakistan, or it may be in the good position also, we will discuss now. First of all, how it will be calculated. Here the GHA is calculated by using a 3-step process, and the indicators are used are the percentage of undernourished population, percentage of children under 5 years suffering from wasting and stunting, and third one, that is child mortality. Here once again I will tell why, because very important. There may be one question on also this one, that is Global Hunger Index. Here the India's rank is 94 out of the 107 countries. Here GHA Global Index is calculated on the 3 things, that is undernourished population, percentage of children under 5 years suffering from wasting and stunting, and child mortality. Here Global Hunger Index score is computed using the 4 indicators: undernourishment, child wasting, child stunting and child mortality. Here a country's score is classified severity low, it is in green color, and moderate and serious condition. India under the serious condition. Here if you see that China is in a good condition, that is in a low condition. Sri Lanka, Nepal is in a moderate condition. If you see that after 75th, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Pakistan, Afghanistan, India under the serious condition. Here if you see the rank of India compared to neighboring countries like Pakistan and Bangladesh and Myanmar, it is lagging behind that. That means India's rank is far than Bangladesh, Myanmar, Pakistan. Here we know that if you see that recent news, our EDB rank is improved, but our GHI rank and EPI rank is lagging out. Why? whether governments are not taking, either maybe a Congress government or a BJP government. I am not here to discuss any political views, but no one is concentrating on either maybe Congress or BJP is not concentrating on the important issues like GHI and EPI, that is Environmental Perception Index. But most ofly after 2014, BJP government is concentrating more on EDB only, that is ease of doing business. But it's maybe a lagging, or maybe a, that even though Congress and BJP government is putting new schemes, but it is not going to the roots. In my point of view, it is not going to the roots. If when that schemes are schemes, welfare schemes, we going towards the roots only, then only it will be reduced, or it will improve the human life. That's why any government, either maybe Congress or any Aam Aadmi Party or any government, I am not here to discuss any political views. Please concentrating on the first important indexes like GHI, that is Global Hunger Index, and EPI, Environmental Perception Index, and Innovation Index or Competition Index. Here EDB is also required, that is ease of doing business also required, but at the same time we have to give importance to these two indexes also. That is my point of view. That's why here the saddest part, that is we are lagging behind the Myanmar, Pakistan and Bangladesh. Next one, Sri Lanka India bilateral maritime exercise, that is SLINEX 2020. Here the 8th edition of annual Indian Navy and Sri Lanka Navy bilateral maritime exercise started on October 19 to October 21. Here SLINEX aims to enhance interoperability, improve mutual understanding and exchange best practices and procedures for multifaceted maritime operations between both navies. Here any country is going or is making or is doing any maritime exercise between any other countries or neighbor countries like China or maybe Nepal or maybe Bhutan or maybe Myanmar or Bangladesh or Sri Lanka, that means why they will do? First of all, to improve the enhanceable interoperability, mutual understanding between these two countries, exchange best practices what they are required, and procedures for multifaceted maritime operations between these two navies, that is Sri Lanka Navy and Indian Navy. With this we can, here one more slide is left out, sorry for that. That is BrahMos Aerospace. It is an Indian and Russia joint venture, produces the supersonic cruise missile that can be launched from the submarine, ships, aircraft or from land platform also. Here it is a backbone for the India, that is BrahMos Aerospace. It is a joint venture between India and Russia. In the last few weeks, if you observe, India has testified a number of missiles, including new version of surface-to-surface supersonic cruise missile, that is BrahMos, and at the same time anti-radiation missile, that is Rudram 1. These two missiles are very very important for India. Why? Because there is a confrontation with China. That's why there is some tensions between India and China. That's why India is test firing the more number of missiles. That is in that part, that is BrahMos and Rudram 1 are the two important missiles. With this we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye bye.